Well, after the Uttarakhand flash floods that claimed thousands of lives, the Met Department was under great pressure to get its act together ahead of Cyclone Pailin that many said would dwarf Katrina. But after the largest evacuation effort in India's history and minimal loss of life, India's weather experts have certainly redeemed themselves in the eyes of India and the world.
It was supposed to be bigger than Katrina, the biggest storm to hit the eastern coast of India in 2013. The world over, they said, we haven't seen one like this before. The Indian Meteorological Department quietly kept its cool.
हम बिल्कुल खंडन करते हैं और मीडिया को निवेदन करते हैं कि आप अपने देश के जो नेशनल वेदर सर्विस है उसको रिपोर्ट करें। कुछ चैनल्स ने रिपोर्ट किया है, कुछ प्रिंट मीडिया ने रिपोर्ट किया है, पैनिक क्रिएट किया है।
And they were scoffed at. Eric Holthus tweeted, latest forecast update from IMD, no change, still underestimating Pailin's potential winds and surge. Ryan Gallagher tweeted, reading Indian government warnings, I can't believe how much they downplay impacts in their statements. Unreal. But when Pailin hit, guess what? The Indian Meteorological Department was bang on. Pailin came with the intensity they predicted, it hit the center they predicted and moved ahead as the Indian Meteorological Department predicted.
Scientists, we have our own opinion and we stuck to that and told our media and public that no, nothing to worry about it, it is going to happen like this. That is what is required as National Weather Service to keep the people informed in a way that which is very close to reality without being influenced by overwarning.
Samira tweeted, IMD, good and great job done by them for their accurate forecast. Proud feeling of being Indian moment. While Nirmal Damani tweeted, India wins, Pailin loses, accurate forecasting IMD, meticulous planning NDRF, Army, Odisha government, bravo. And Dhananjay Kumar tweeted, kudos IMD and relief authorities for tracking Pailin as you are doing. This very severe cyclonic storm Pailin was being compared to the super cyclone of 1999 which hit Odisha and claimed thousands of lives. But thanks to the accurate forecast as well as timely updates given by the Indian Meteorological Department to both the state governments of Odisha as well as Andhra Pradesh along with to NDMA, that the loss of lives as well as the damage to the property could be minimized. In New Delhi, Hina Gambhir for NDTV.